Hello, in front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to customize the tiles or widgets on this watch. Before we start, if you want to customize the tiles on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Realme Link application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Realme Link application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home screen, and on it you should see a list called My Devices, and on this list you should see your Realme Watch 3 Pro. Tap on it to select it, and here find the option called Tiles and tap on it. And now we can edit the Tiles menu. Before we do that, I will also show you how to access the Tiles menu on your watch, because I forgot to do that. So, to access the Tiles menu on your watch, simply press the side button to wake up the screen, and then you can swipe left or right on the home screen, the current watch face, to scroll through the list of tiles, as you can see. And we have the activity today, sleep, heart rate, weather, and music playback. And to edit it, go to the app like we did, find the tiles menu, and here we can do a couple of things. We can remove the tiles from the list, add the tiles to the list, and change the order of the tiles on the list. To remove the tile, simply tap on the minus icon next to one, like this. To add the tile to the list, simply tap on the plus button next to the tile on the not installed list, like this. And to change the order of the tiles on the list, simply press and hold on the sorting button next to the tile, and then drag it around, release it in the place you want it to be in, and then you can basically save your settings by tapping on the done button, like this. And once you save the settings, you can wake up the screen, scroll through the list of tiles, and as you can see, here we have the music control and the weather is gone. And that's how you customize the tiles on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.